ChatGPT just got one of its biggest updates ever, and if you're still using it the old way, you're missing out. In this video, I'll walk you through the 6 biggest new features that completely change how you can use ChatGPT in 2025. Number 1, thinking, auto, and fast modes. You now have 3 ways to run ChatGPT. Fast mode gives you instant answers when you just need something quick. Auto mode lets ChatGPT decide how much reasoning is needed. And thinking mode, the most advanced, pushes the AI to really take its time and give you deeper, more structured insights. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or solving complex problems, these modes let you balance speed and depth. Number 2, personalities. ChatGPT isn't just one voice anymore. You can pick from different personas like the cynic, the robot, the listener, or the nerd. Each one changes not only the tone, but also the way it approaches problems. It makes the AI feel more human and way more adaptable to your workflow. Number 3, vibe coding. This feature is a game changer for developers. Instead of typing strict code prompts, you can now describe the vibe of your project. For example, make my website look clean, Apple-style minimalist, and ChatGPT generates the base code with that style built in. It's faster, more creative, and honestly feels like magic. Number 4, canvas previews. When you're working on designs, documents, or even coding projects, ChatGPT now gives you live previews in a canvas. You don't just get text, you see how things will look and can drag, edit, or refine in real time. This bridges the gap between idea and execution. Number 5, Gmail and calendar integration. Productivity just leveled up. ChatGPT can now read your Gmail, draft replies, manage your calendar, and even suggest time blocks for deep work. It turns the AI into a personal assistant that truly helps you manage your day-to-day life. Number 6, smarter collaboration tools. With shared chat spaces, multiple people can now work in the same thread with ChatGPT. Imagine brainstorming with your team and the AI at once. It's like having an extra teammate who never runs out of ideas. So, is this update worth trying? Absolutely. ChatGPT in 2025 isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's a creative partner, a productivity coach, and even a coding assistant. Whether you're a student, a developer, or just someone trying to save time, these 6 upgrades make ChatGPT feel less like a tool and more like a superpower.